This diagram illustrates the basic components and airflow within an air handling unit AHU, a crucial part of an HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. Let's break down the process step by step. Outside air, OA, intake, OA damper. This component controls the amount of fresh outside air entering the AHU. It can be open or closed to regulate ventilation. Outside air, OA, arrow. This indicates the direction of outside air flowing into unit. Filtration. Filters. Before the air is conditioned, it passes through a series of filters. These remove dust, pollen, and other particulate matter from the air, improving indoor air quality and protecting downstream components. Heating section. Heating coil. This coil contains primary hot water, indicated by red lines. When hot water flows through the coil, it transfers heat to the air passing over it, raising the air's temperature. This is used for heating the supply air during colder periods. Red arrow. This indicates the flow of heated air after passing through the heating coil. Cooling section. Cooling coil. This coil contains primary chilled water, indicated by blue lines. When chilled water flows through the coil, it absorbs heat from the air, lowering the air's temperature and often condensing moisture, dehumidification. This is used for cooling the supply air during warmer periods. Blue arrow. This indicates the flow of cooled air after passing through the cooling coil. Reheating section. Reheating coil. Similar to the initial heating coil, this coil also uses primary hot water to add heat to the air. Reheating is often used in conjunction with cooling, especially for precise temperature and humidity control. For example, if the air needs to be cooled significantly for dehumidification, but then needs to be brought back up to a comfortable temperature, the reheating coil would be used. Purple arrow. After reheating coil, this indicates the flow of air after potential reheating. Air movement. Centrifugal fan. This is the heart of the AHU, responsible for moving the air through the entire system. It draws air in, pushes it through the various coils and filters, and then delivers it as supply air. Purple arrow. After fan, this indicates the direction of air being pushed by the fan. Air distribution. Supply damper. This damper controls the amount of conditioned air that is supplied to the occupied space. It can be adjusted to regulate airflow to different zones or rooms. Supply air. This is a conditioned air, heated, cooled, filtered, and potentially humidified/dehumidified, that is delivered to the building's occupants. In summary, the AHU takes an outside air, filters it, conditions it for temperature and humidity, using heating and cooling coils, and then uses a fan to distribute this conditioned supply air to the building's interior spaces. The various dampers control the intake and distribution of air, while the coils regulate the air's temperature.